of logarithm. Now let's go ahead and see them. So first, whenever we have log and then we have a power n, we can write this one as n log a. That's the first rule. And then let's say we have log and then we have multiplication inside the bracket like a times b. We can also write this one as log a plus log b. And let's say we have a division like this, log a over b. We can also write this one as log a minus log b. Now we can use this and evaluate some problems. Now let's go ahead and try the first one. First one, let's say we have there's a value given like log 5 and then 5 power 7. What's going to be the value of this one? So here you can see 5 power 7, and you can see as here when we have a power n, we can bring the n to the other side. So here we can take the 7 to the other side. So this is going to be 7 log 5 base 5, and if the base are same, it's going to be equal to 1. So therefore this is 7 times 1, therefore this is 7. Let's look at another problem. Let's say we have a problem that is given like this, log base 2, and then we have a multiplication. Or let's look at the same kind of problem again. Let's say we have given 8 power 5. What's going to be the log of this one? Like what's going to be the value? Again, you can see the pattern that we have a power of this value. So we bring the power to the front, that is 5, and then we have log 2 power 8. The next thing you can do is you have to see like 5 remains the same, and you have to see is 8 is a power of 2. 2 power 3 is 8. So this is going to be 2 times 2 power 3. So again 3 comes to the front, and if you have same base, that's 1. 2 are same base, so it's 1. Then 5 times 3, that's 15. Okay, now let's go ahead and see some more problems. I'm gonna erase all these things and start new. Okay, let's try this problem. Let's say we have a question given like log base 2, and we have multiplication inside the bracket, that is like 16 times 8. Now if you look at this one, this is like the pattern we have seen in the second equation that's we seen in the previous one, that is log a times b. That one expands like log a plus log b, log a plus log b. Here we had to do the same thing. Here log 2 16 times 8 expands like log 2 power 6 base 2 16, and then plus log base 2 8. Now is 16 is power of a 2. If 16 is a power of 2, we can simplify. 16 is 2 power 4. So 2 cancels, and 4 is the only thing remain. Like when we have 2, if we can bring the base and this one to the same value, then we can take out this log. That's going to be just 1. So 2 power 4. So the 4 is the answer for this one. 4 is the value for this one. And here 2 power 3. So 3 is the value for this one. So we are going to get 7. Let's look at another problem. Let's say a question given like log base 3, and then we have multiplication inside of the bracket, 27 times 81. Now you can see it's exactly similar to this one. So if we expect, since we have multiplication, I put the dot in the middle so you don't get confused. Why my eraser is erasing white? Okay, let me see if I can change the color of eraser. Okay, I have to fix that thing. Okay, I will do that later. Let me cut this one with this. Oh crap, okay. You know what, I start a new page and continue. Okay, let's write the equation again. Let's say we have log base 3 27 times 81. Now here you can see this is like this is a multiplication. Like when we have log a times b, we expand it like log a plus log b. Same thing goes to this. This one expands like log 3 base 3 27 and then plus log base 3 81. Now here we have to see is 27 is a power of 3, because if we can bring that pattern, we can cancel, like since 3 and 3 here, we can cancel and bring the power to the value. So 3 power 3 is 27, so we can put 3 right here, and then 3 power 4 is 81, so we can put 4 here. So the answer for this one is 7. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have a question that's given like log base 4 and then we have a division inside the bracket 256 over 64. Now we know that there's another equation we've seen, that when we have division of two values a over b, we can also express that one like log a minus log b. Now here we have to do the same thing for this one. This one is like log 4 256 over 64 is going to be log 4 base 4 256 minus log base 4 64. Now the next thing we have to see is 256 is the power of 4. If you calculate 4 power 4 gives 256, so this is 4, and 4 power 3 gives us 64, so minus 3. Therefore 4 minus 3, that is 1. So the answer for this one is 1. Let's look at some more problems. I start another page. Okay, let's say we have a question given like this. Let's say we have a question that's given like log base 2 and then 128 over 8. If you have this one, what's going to be the value? Again, you can see this is a division, so we can expand this one like log 2 128 is 128 minus log base 2 8. Now 2 power what gives us 128? 2 power 7 is 128, so 7, and then 2 power 3 is 8, so this 3. 7 minus 3, that's 4. So the answer for this one is 4. Now let's look at another one. Let's say we have a question given like this: log base 2, and then we have some multiplication, 128 times 64 divided by 8 times 16, and also a power 5. How can we simplify this one? So when we have this one, we can bring the power to the front first. So this is going to be like 5 log 2 base 2, and then we are going to have these multiplications, that is, or just we can just, you know, instead of doing one by one, we can put it all in the bracket like this, because 5, when we bring 5, is going to multiply everything. Like we are bringing 5 in front of the log here, so it's going to multiply everything. So just put 5 in front of everything, and then log 2. Here we have this one multiplication, so we put that one first, 128, and when we multiply two values, that's a plus when we take the logs separately. So log base 2 and then 64, and the next one is division, so we put a minus for that, log 2 base 2 8, and then another division, that's 16, so log base 2 16. Now let's go ahead and simplify this one. So 5 times here 2 power what gives us 128. Here we have seen 2 power 7 is 128, so we put 7 right here, and then 2 power what gives us 64. 2 power 6 is 64, so we put that one here, minus 2 power 3 is 8, so we put the 3, and then 2 power 4 is 16, minus 4. And if you simplify this one, 5 times 7 plus 6 13, 13 minus 3 10, 10 minus 4 6, 5 times 6 30. That's our final answer. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next video.